Welcome to this really interesting building located in the centre of Subbética region of Andalucia, 1 hour 45 minutes inland of Malaga Airport and close to the town of Priego de Cordoba. There is a main building which is in good condition, although could benefit from modernising, and then there are buildings that are pretty much ruins out of the back, which you can rebuild or completely demolish and create more garden space. The land area consists of 3 different plots with olive groves, which total, including the plot of the house, 34,375 square metres. Of the 3 plots, the one which the property is built on is in the residential classification and the other 2 are agricultural. At the end of the video you will see the land, some maps of the land that is included with the property. The current owners use this as a summer kitchen for outdoor living. And now into the main part of the property. So this is the main door that faces the pool. So if we entered through here, we're into this long hallway. Currently the property has 2 official bedrooms, but there is space to build numerous extra rooms. There are currently a total of 3 bathrooms in the property. This one, the one that we saw at the entrance, which is great for outdoor living, and then there's another one along this corridor. So here we have a charming living room with a high beamed ceiling. It has a log burner which also serves as an oven on the top part. Now into the garden, and you can see that these properties at the back are ruins and really need removing. Now what is super interesting about this room is there's olive oil storage tanks underneath with 4 trapdoors to access them. So you will see the square doors. There's one there just in front of us. Now back into the kitchen area that we saw earlier, and that takes us into the courtyard again. Now to the other end of the corridor with yet another great feature, a room here at the end with olive oil vats. You can use your imagination as to what you would do with this area. One suggestion would be to create a corridor and some rooms along the length of it. Maybe keep the corridor open with a railing so it still overlooks the rest of the building. Now to the window at the end, which overlooks the valley of the land that comes with the property. We'll take a look at the maps now to show that from an aerial view. Here you can see the pool in the middle of the picture, then the light green section in the centre, and below that at the bottom of the picture where the website title is, to one side of that there is a square piece of land which is the third plot. For further information on this property and to receive cadastral maps, please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582.